In our last episode, we learned how to build your first investment portfolio. Today, we're diving into one of the most rewarding parts of investing: dividends. You've probably heard people say things like, "This stock pays dividends," or "I make passive income from my investments." But what does that really mean? In this episode, I'll explain what dividends are, how they work, and how you can use them to build steady income, even while you sleep. Section 1. What is a dividend? Let's start simple. A dividend is a portion of a company's profits that it decides to share with its shareholders. That's you, the investor. When you own a stock, you're part owner of that company. So, when the company makes a profit, it can choose to reward you with a small piece of that profit in the form of a cash payment, called a dividend. Think of it like owning a small bakery. If your bakery makes $1,000 in profit this month, you might decide to keep $700 in the business and distribute $300 among the owners. That distribution, that share of profit, is your dividend. Section 2. How dividends are paid. Most companies that pay dividends do so on a regular schedule, usually every 3 months or quarterly. For example, if you own 10 shares of a company that pays $1 per share per year, you'll receive $10 annually, often split into 4 $2.50 payments. That money is usually deposited directly into your brokerage account, where you can either withdraw it or reinvest it to buy more shares. Section 3. The power of dividend reinvestment. One of the smartest things you can do as an investor is reinvest your dividends. Instead of taking the cash out, you use it to buy more shares of the same stock or fund. Over time, those extra shares start earning their own dividends, creating a snowball effect called compound growth. It's like planting a tree that grows more trees, which then grow even more fruit. Section 4. Types of dividend stocks. Not all companies pay dividends, but many do, especially large, stable ones. Here are a few types. Blue chip companies, big, reliable firms like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Microsoft. Dividend growth stocks, companies that not only pay dividends but increase them year after year. High dividend yield stocks, companies that pay larger dividends but might have slower growth. You can also invest in dividend ETFs, which hold dozens of dividend-paying companies all in one fund. A great option for beginners. Section 5. Important dividend terms to know. There are a few key terms you'll hear a lot. Dividend yield. This shows how much a stock pays in dividends relative to its price. For example, if a stock is $100 and pays $5 per year, its yield is 5%. Ex-dividend date. The cutoff date to qualify for the next dividend payment. If you buy after this date, you'll miss that round. Payout ratio. The percentage of a company's profit that goes to dividends. A lower ratio often means the dividend is more sustainable. Section 6. Should you focus on dividends? Now, should every investor chase dividends? Not necessarily. Dividends are great for steady income and long-term growth, but not all good companies pay them. Some prefer to reinvest profits back into expansion, like Tesla or Amazon. That's why it's smart to have a balance. Mix dividend-paying stocks or ETFs with growth-oriented ones. That way, you get the best of both worlds: income today and potential for more tomorrow. Section 7. Example: dividend in action. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a stock that pays a 4% annual dividend. That means you'll earn $40 a year in cash, just for owning it. If you reinvest those dividends every year and the company continues to grow, your income and total investment value will increase over time, without you lifting a finger. So, to recap, a dividend is your share of a company's profits. Companies pay them regularly, often quarterly. Reinvesting your dividends helps your money grow faster. Dividend investing can be a powerful way to build passive income over time. In our next episode, we'll explore how to research and choose the best dividend stocks and ETFs, so you can start earning and compounding like a pro. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to WealthWave, and comment below. Do you prefer dividend income or growth investing? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for learning with me. And remember, your money should work for you, even when you're not working.